QuickBooks Self-Employed is a popular choice for freelancers and small business owners looking for accounting software. But before making a decision, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll cover the good, the bad, and how it compares to other options in the market. Stick with me until the end, and I'll also recommend an alternative solution you might want to check out. First, QuickBooks Self-Employed stands out for its simplicity. It's designed for solo entrepreneurs. So if you're running a one-person show, it's easy to set up and use right out of the box. Compared to other accounting tools like FreshBooks or Wave, it's more focused on helping you manage your taxes and track expenses with minimal effort. Next thing, QuickBooks Self-Employed automatically tracks your mileage, which is a huge benefit for anyone who uses their car for business purposes. You can simply log your trips, and the software will calculate the deductions for you, something that other competitors don't do as efficiently. The third thing you should know is its invoicing features. While QuickBooks Self-Employed offers basic invoicing, it's not as customizable as some other tools. If you need more advanced features like recurring invoices or payment integrations, you might want to look at competitors like FreshBooks, which provide more options for growing businesses. The fourth thing, while QuickBooks Self-Employed integrates well with many banking institutions, the connection can sometimes be spotty. Some users report delays in syncing transactions, which could be frustrating if you rely on real-time updates. Other software, like Xero, has a stronger track record when it comes to syncing data smoothly. Next, QuickBooks Self-Employed offers basic reporting, but if you're looking for in-depth financial analysis, it may not be enough. You'll get things like profit and loss statements, but more detailed insights are locked behind the more expensive QuickBooks versions. In comparison, Wave gives you more comprehensive reports for free. The sixth thing to consider is that QuickBooks Self-Employed is designed for very small businesses. If you plan to expand and hire employees, this might not be the right tool for you. Other software like QuickBooks Online or Xero would be better suited for growing businesses with multiple team members. Next, one of the standout features is its integration with TurboTax. If you're already using TurboTax to file your taxes, this can save you a lot of time. It imports your tax information directly from QuickBooks, reducing manual work. However, if you use a different tax service, the integration options aren't as robust. The eighth thing is that the pricing is competitive for freelancers, but it's still a subscription model. QuickBooks Self-Employed costs around $15 per month, which is comparable to some competitors like Wave, which is free. But those extra features in QuickBooks might justify the cost depending on your needs. Next thing, while QuickBooks Self-Employed is easy to use, it's also somewhat limited. If you're planning to scale up or need additional features like time tracking or project management, you'll have to look at other software options like FreshBooks or Zoho Books. The 10th thing to note is that customer support is available, but it can be difficult to get quick responses during peak hours. Many competitors offer more responsive support, which might be something to keep in mind if you need frequent help. The 11th thing, while QuickBooks Self-Employed allows for basic expense tracking, it doesn't offer features like inventory management or payroll, which you'll find in QuickBooks Online. If you need these advanced features, you may want to consider upgrading or switching to a different software. Finally, it's important to understand that QuickBooks Self-Employed is a good solution for freelancers and sole proprietors, but if you want a better alternative for scaling your business or accessing more advanced features, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. To wrap things up, QuickBooks Self-Employed is a solid choice if you're just starting out and need something simple to manage your freelance business. However, if you need more comprehensive features or a more flexible solution, there are plenty of other options out there that might be a better fit.